Chief Minister Nongthomam BIREN Churachandpur District ki Singat Subdivision ki manung chana leiba Sekan Village ta thokiba laibak thiba embusa leikidraba Nifu Taruk Suba Assam Rifle ki Laikidraba Lanmi Singi Mafamda Ikai Khumna Bot Kre Imphal gi Bir Tikendrajit International Airport apangthokiba Ikai Khumna Bot pagi thauram aduda en BIREN makhata na phongdokibada ngarang chathakiba thong adu lengak asina kaidongnungda yengduna khaklai thokloi thaudok adu pangthokpada jeneriba miyoi sing adugi mathakta logi oiba thabak sing lakhatnaba Home Department amade paramilitary force singda khangankiba leire state asigi border area singda security force ki mapangal su hena kangkhat halagani haike panba yai madude ngarang ayuk nifu taruk suba Assam Rifles ki CO Colonel Biplab Tripathi na luchingba convoy ama Myanmar gi ngamkhai manakta leiba Behyang post gi thorakpada lambida afaba khutsukulai paiba lalhauba sing aduna landarakibane thaudok aduda Colonel Biplab Tripathi mahaki loinabi Anuja Tripathi makhoi gi pikliba machanopa Abir Tripathi thaudok thofam adumaktada laikide convoy aduda yaurakpa QRT gi personal marisu thaudok aduda laikide loinana lan mitaruklom asok apan nanghanke.
You know, I'm really shocked when I came to know about the death of one innocent, including innocent boys, innocent child and a woman. And I strongly condemn in the strongest terms this, and I use the term terrorist. And I'm sharing my deepest condolence to the family of the bereaved families, and I have already instructed to the concerned home departments, my officials, including DGs and paramilitary forces, to nab the perpetrators and to punish according to the law of the land. And the state government will not compromise this type of terrorism, this type of terrorist acts. This kills many of our brave Jawans, including a colonel.